like the reach on here.
I know.
We ran inside after the last big one.
People crush it. I don't know.
I'm not. I want to firework.
Wow.
Right? Wouldn't they have called by now?
Oh, that's just the Charlotte Russe. What's that one?
I'm going to throw it through the fire.
Oh, this is
Where are they going?
to Yogurtland.
I want to throw it through the fire.
No, we don't.
Oh, so what is it? What? Oh, hold on, I gotta set them up.
You know you like it, really.
Oh,
No, you
shoot.
love it.
Wait, are you doing it now?
Yeah.
Oh, I love that one. Oh, me too. Oh,
Stand back. Stand back. No, stand back.
That one's cool.
That's called a Roman.
Woo!
That's about as cool as they get.
Oh!
What the heck, Ellie? You always mess them up.
That's your right.
Oh, never mind.
You walked up to the table and introduced yourself. Yeah.
What are you doing next, Cole?
When you do something like that, nobody forgets you.
What are you doing next?
Another Roman.
Oh, great. Smell of rotten eggs.
Yeah, right?
They're free, don't
Oh,
they?
that's
Smell
the
good.
evidence real quick.
Right.
Just in case we got to make a getaway.
In case you want to make a getaway.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. This is big time evidence. You guys? Where's that thing at?
In the trash can?
But you should probably wait. Put them in something, yeah.
Guys, remember when they caught on fire here?
Yes.
Inside voice flashlight.
They got on fire right there. Yes, I told everybody, remember?
I'm recording.
It's all bad.
It's all black.
What the?
I'm just waiting for the one.
You know you want to.
Take stir on your head. Oh my gosh, Tyler. Oh, I didn't do it.
Ty.
Wait, no, Jeffrey.
Away,
Tyler, point it up.
away from the house.
Away from the neighbor's house. Yes. Yeah,
Kelly, really? Thank you.
ready, Jeff?
Thanks, Bob.
Holy moly. How much was that? I'm just curious at the fireworks store.
Place,
Like $10 for that, or?
no, this place went to. Anything with a pink.
It's out.
Uh-oh.
With a pink price tag on it.
Put it in the sewer.
The green is not gonna get too.
Or put it in the
So
sewer.
instead of 24,
Is that on it, man?
I got buy one get one free.
Wait!
Shut up.
Yeah, please.
He's driving slow.
Who?
What?
24 for 80, so let's just say that's 75. That's only $3 a
Go.
piece.
Whoa!
Okay. That's like your mortar, right?
That's the
So
best one ever.
usable,
Oh my
right?
God! You wait, I have to record this.
Oh, it's like an ABS. Oh, okay.
Okay, this is so loud and scary.
Where's Lily with camera?
Yeah.
Move back! No, move back, people! Move back!